What's poppin', Rolling Game family? You already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy, TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling with TB. You hear me?
What's up, Rolling Game?
Purchase your tracks today.
It's the next morning from the last vlog, man. Like I said, we parked here overnight or whatever, and they just got here at 7 a.m. and they about to unload me, so I'm about to open my doors and back into this dock space right here, and keep going from there. Now I'll let y'all know we gotta go over to Mesquite, Texas after this and pick up a loaded trailer, which I'm kind of excited about because I had this trailer for a while and I'm kind of over this trailer, kind of want something new. So let me get this done. I'm gonna catch y'all once we're done with this rolling. Okay.
1 hour later.
Appreciate it. Alright guys, as you can see, we just got done getting loaded here. Well, I'm sorry. We just got done getting unloaded here. I need to get up here and grab my straps. But what I just wanted to come tell y'all real quick was, it's crazy. As many times as I've been in Dallas and everything, I have never booked a load for $2.50 a mile. I just literally booked this load, which I was telling y'all about earlier, from, here it is right here, $2.50 from Mesquite, Texas to Spartanburg, South Carolina. Like, that's crazy to me, guys, like crazy. So this is exciting. I don't normally go over to South Carolina, Georgia, and places like that too often, but with stuff the way it is, I'm just trying to make as much money as I possibly can right now and get out of my comfort zone. So I'm gonna see y'all once we get over to Mesquite, Texas, and pick up this light load of vacuums. Rolling. Okay. Hey guys, so we just made it over here to Bissell, whatever that is, shipping and receiving over there. I gotta go check in. From what this agent told me, this should be a drop-in hook. So hopefully this load is loaded already, cause that's the it's 2 Landstar trailers over there too. I see. I don't know. We about to see though, but I'm gonna check in with y'all once we check in with them. Rolly. Okay. This is gonna be interesting. Not what I'm doing now, but the load itself. This load is going to Amazon in Spartanburg, South Carolina. It is a trailer full of vacuums, and they are on the floor. So what that tells me is my delivery is at 7 a.m. on Friday. So that's telling me that I'm probably gonna be getting unloaded for like 3 hours there. I didn't book a load Friday, so now I have to kind of take that into consideration. Because for one, I know I can't park overnight at Amazon facility. So I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. But like I said, right now, we just about to go drop this trailer over there. My loaded trailer is actually ready. Just got to drop the trailer, slide my tandems, and we get out of here. So let's do that right quick and keep trucking. Rolly. Somebody left the trailer up too high, so I had to let the pressure out my truck to drop my trailer, out my airbags and all that. And then, look, another issue I got is, who was this driver that couldn't be nice enough to remove the placards after they got unloaded? Literally. It takes 2 seconds to just remove the placards off this for the next driver, because this ain't a hazmat load for me. Like I said, all this load is a bunch of literally a bunch of freaking vacuums. That's all it is. And they couldn't be nice enough to remove the placard, so now I'm stuck here doing that. So I'm about to go over this trailer right quick, get all of these placards off the trailer, and then we about to leave out of here. And I seen the cheapest fuel right now is $1.58 in Meridian, Mississippi, which is like 7 hours away. So I'm about to try to do the whole thing and stop there, get fuel. Then I'll be 6 hours away from Spartanburg, South Carolina, to deliver this load on Friday. So I'm gonna catch y'all once we get to rolling again. Rolly.
6.5 hours later.
So we got a half a tank of gas right now. Let me see. Put myself on duty. Fueling. Bam, bam, bam. See summary. Alright, I got 3 hours left to drive today, so I can make some good distance or whatever. Right now, we at TA in Meridian, Mississippi. The reason I stopped here, even though I gotta have a tank of gas, is because this was literally the cheapest fuel that I seen. It's $1.58. And plus, man, I know, man, everybody been getting on me. My windshield dirty, man. So I'm about to make sure I clean my windshield, get me some fuel, and do it all like that. So let's get out here, clean our windshields, get us some fuel, and I guess probably keep trucking. We got 3 hours left, so I can make it somewhere with that and finish off the rest of this trip tomorrow. Probably get off tonight at like 9 something and be done with that. So I'm gonna see y'all outside. Rolly. Done fueling. I finally cleaned my windshields. I actually need to clean the inside of them, because this little shady stuff right here is on the inside. I need to clean that. But we got the outside of it pretty good. My 30-minute break is almost over. Focus. So yeah, we had 22 minutes, man. My 30-minute break almost over. In the fuel island. It's not busy, so I don't want to hear nobody mouth about that. But got 3 hours left on my drive time to drive, so But just find somewhere to park within this route. If I get tired, I'm trying to get my time because I only got 400 some miles to get to Spartanburg, South Carolina. So, man, I wish I could have made it to Atlanta today and just parked there and chilled there and got up later on tomorrow to drive the rest of the ride. But I ain't gonna make it to Atlanta. But we gonna find somewhere to park, man, and we gonna finish off our day, our adventures for today. So I'm gonna catch y'all on our next stop, Rolly. Okay.
2 days later.
All right, y'all. So this is where we it's basically 2 days later. We picked up this load in Arlington, Texas on Wednesday. We're delivering it today at Amazon in Spartanburg, South Carolina. It's like 6:02. My appointment time is at 7 a.m. It's literally 1 mile up the road, so I'm gonna probably leave out of here at 6:25. Get there about 6:30. Hopefully when I get there at 6:30, they start unloading me because I got another load of bangers right here that picks up at 9 a.m. going to Brownsville, Texas. But we about to stop here. We parked at a Waffle House. Well, we parked at a truck stop right next to Waffle House. So about to stop here, give me some cheese grits right quick, and give me something to drink, and then head back to my truck, do my pre-trip, and then head over to Amazon. So I'll see y'all once we get to Amazon. Rolly.
What you gonna do, you're gonna open the doors, drop it in there, pull 6 feet in front of it, walk down to 145.
Okay, 158. Okay. Made it to Amazon facility. It's 6:42. They told me to go and do a 158. So, I gotta take my lock and stuff off. But man, I'm just hoping. 6:58 now. It's a really, really, really small truckload that I'm about to show y'all. So it's not a lot in there. So I'm just praying, man, because my next load picks up at 9. You know, places like Walmart and Amazon, they be taking forever. See, it ain't even a full truckload. So hopefully this is a really, really quick unload, man, with under an hour, so that we can get out of here and get to our next pickup. So I'm gonna check in, get in my paperwork, and I'll get right back to ya. Rolly. How you doing?
Don't ask me, I ain't never been here before.
Hello? Hello?
I was hoping the side driver was gonna come up in here.
Driver, I'll be right down.
It says, please use channel receiving doc to speak to doc clerk. Wait for pager, copy paperwork, never hook on a red light.
1 hour later.
Listen, I'm from Missouri, so I hope I'm not the only one who likes to put sugar and cheese on their grits. I don't know where all y'all from, but if you're from the Midwest, we normally put sugar on ours. But once time I was down south and they put cheese in theirs, and I tried it, it was so good. So right now we in hold on, I just got a green light. I think they done. It's 7:31. I'm in door 158. Think they unloaded me. I got a green light. But I gotta wait for this to go off. They say do not hook to trailer when it's a red light. So I don't know, I'm gonna wait for this to go off before I hook to the door, but we officially done. So we can go ahead, get our stuff together. My next load don't pick up until 9 a.m. So I'm probably it's literally like 14 miles up the road. So I'm probably about to go back over to the truck stop. I wish I could call and see if I can go in earlier. That's probably what I'm gonna do. So I'm about to get back to y'all. Actually, we about to go get our paperwork. We're gonna finish the vlog off there. Rolly. Okay. Alright, y'all, so we got our paperwork. He definitely signed the bills. So I got a green light. My buzzer went off, as y'all can see. So it looked like we good to go, man. And it's only 7:36, so I got way more than enough time to make my pickup on time. So I'm about to just hook I bagged into my trailer. About to just hook, put my landing gear up. So all I want to say is thank you for rolling with TB. Like, share, subscribe, continue to support me. I'm gonna continue to drop these videos. Welcome to my world, welcome to my life, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Rolly.